Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be the fourth and last spot demonstrating how you can use the horse to deliver a final checkmate in conjunction with other pieces. Quick analysis of the board show that red would have two chariots, one pawn, and red is poised to checkmate with r2 plus 3. In this board, black would move first, and black would have more material, two chariots, one horse, one cannon, one pawn, but only one advisor. So how can black turn the tables and win? Let us see. The first move would be to sacrifice the chariot, delivering a check. And there are two main variations. We shall go through variation A first. If the king captured the chariot, black would utilize the rank attack. Check. Another check. And the king can only move inside. If he moves inside, red will finish off the kill with the angler horse checkmate. In variation 2, again, after delivering a check, let's say red uses the advisor instead of the king to capture the chariot. Black would continue with the check, deliver with the cannon. This manner. Now the king can only move if it advances the advisor. It will be an immediate checkmate. So after moving the king over here, the horse will now jump into action with h4 plus 5, and king can only move inside. If it advanced, red would deliver a checkmate by capturing the advisor. Note that the black cannon has controlled the central file. King would retreat. The horse would now move again, and if red did advance the king, he will go for the tiger silhouette. So no matter where the king moves, this chariot will deliver a check. This will be a checkmate. So the king moved to the central file. Red will now adjust his moves. Again, the king can only move k5 equals to 4. If it moved over here, this would be an immediate checkmate. And since the high angler horse was ready, red would deliver a final checkmate with r2 plus 8. So as can be seen, the maneuvering of the horse was brilliant. Now that is why k4 plus 1 cannot be played, and red would move the king to the central file. It would be at this time that black would sacrifice the horse to capture the advisor. Now the horse is poisoned, and the king cannot capture. The horse is poisoned. The king cannot capture the horse. Otherwise, it will be an immediate checkmate because the central cannon has controlled the central file. Red can only move his king when the cannon is delivering a check. This will be a discovered check. Sorry, we forgot to mention. And now the horse clearing away an obstacle. The horse would now retreat, delivering a check again. Go for the angler horse, and as mentioned earlier, if the king retreated, black would checkmate in this manner. If the king advanced, this would be a checkmate. So this will bring us to the end of this very exciting example of using a kill by delivering a checkmate with using the horse by maneuvering it. Now, one important aspect would be the central cannon controlling the central file, thus limiting the king to one of the RIP files. So let us review Eyes of Black. 3 plus 4, sacrifice, variation A, k5 equals to 6, and a rank checkmate would ensue. Check. Check. Very important intermediate move to pin the king to this corner and allowing the angler horse to happen. Angler horse checkmate. In variation 2, red retreats the advisor to capture the chariot. Cannon will now make its presence known by controlling the central file. K4 equals to 5, and this horse will now jump into action literally. If K4 plus 5, let's go to K4 plus 1. The advisor is removed. Check. If the king moves here, this will be the checkmate, and black will win in this manner. Now, if the king retreated to the central file, black makes a brilliant move of sacrificing his horse to capture the advisor, so that there will be no advisor to block the chariot should it attack later on. 5 plus 4. Checkmate. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. This is a very exciting kill, and if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.